Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to remove Passkey in Roblox. If you added a Passkey to your Roblox account and want it removed, you can do this right now from the Roblox app or on your iPhone or on your PC. Here's the simple process. First thing first, open the Roblox app on your iPhone. Tap the three dots at the bottom right to open the menu. Now scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap Account Info. Then scroll until you find the section labeled Login Methods. Under Login Methods, tap Manage. Then you'll see the passkeys linked to your account. Just select the one you want to remove, then tap Delete Passkey to remove it. Once it's deleted, your Roblox account will no longer use that passkey for login. And that's all you need to do to remove a Roblox passkey on your iPhone. It only takes a moment and you can always add a new login method later if you need to. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials.